Like my comfort food, like if I don't eat khichdi for like 2-3 days, I actually start craving it.
Really?
Yeah, I'll message her. I'll say there's no khichdi in this diet. I can't sleep in the night. Like you're saying, ke, you need a drink. I'm like, I can't sleep. I've not eaten
Dal
khichdi. Yeah, so
Acha.
I'm like, but I can like be really happy to eat khichdi at least 5 times a week, which I think works, and it's somehow it keeps me happy with that little dollop of ghee. Um, ah, that's my dinner tonight also.